The National Hurricane Center Hawaii has upgraded hurricane lane to Category 5. Here's the latest for force 13, 14.5 degrees north, 154 degrees west, about 375 miles south-southeast of Kaliua Kona, Hawaii. Apology for the pronunciation. 860 kilometres south-southeast of Honolulu, Hawaii. Maximum sustained winds 160 miles per hour, tracking west-northwest and around 9 miles per hour. And minimum central pressure is 922 millibars. A hurricane warning is in effect for the Hawaii County, and a hurricane watch is in effect for the Maui County. Apology for the pronunciation yet again, including various islands. Now here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center. Lane is forecast to move dangerously close to the main Hawaiian Islands as a hurricane later this week, potentially bringing damaging winds, life-threatening flash flooding from heavy rainfall anywhere in the state. And it's expected to be slow moving as it nears the islands. It will produce large and dangerous surf. As Lane moves up from the southeast, the earliest potential threat to landfall will be the Big Island, where a hurricane warning is now in effect. Preparations should be rushed to completion as tropical storm force winds are forecast to arrive in the warning area by late Wednesday or early Thursday. And as mentioned, a hurricane watch remains in effect. Due to a continued high degree of uncertainty on the forecast track and intensity of Lane, hurricane impacts could be felt across any of the Hawaiian Islands. Now here's a look at various tracks. It is too early to predict which, if any, of the islands will be directly impacted. Remember that life-threatening weather conditions can extend well away from the centre of the hurricane, and interests throughout Hawaii are urged to closely monitor the progress of Lane during the next few days. And that is the latest advisory, or the technical advisory at 6:45 local time. We will continue to bring the latest information on Lane, and we have 2 typhoons over in the Westpac. And here's a look at the satellite imagery on Lane. The life of the hurricane. We know that Lane does have an eye, and I'm just trying to find the information whilst reviewing the imagery. Here's the latest NOAA floaters on the hurricane. And the Joy Typhoon warning centre's current advisory: 329 nautical miles south-southeast of Ely, taking west-northwest at 9 knots, and maximum wave height at this point in time is 40 feet. Here's a look at the shear tendency. The 850 millibar vorticity. The upper level divergence. And here's the Joy Typhoon warning centre's current track chart. And as mentioned, stay tuned to Force 13 for continuing coverage of Lane, including Zulik and Zimmerman.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with you at any time. You can also find our YouTube page if you're not there already, subscribed hopefully, and you can also follow our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text. Videos are now there as well, and you can follow us on Twitter at Force13 is our handle, and it's hashtag F13Sulik if you'd like to draw our attention to anything in future live events or whatnot. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron with its various rewards that come with that feature as well. And you can add me personally, Fool13 at extension 9094 on Discord, and Force13 on Skype for tropical weather chat.